The world is a wild and wonderful place, filled with millions of unique animal species most of us have never even heard of. We have brought up a list of 10 unique creatures of the earth you won't believe exists. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is often called a vampire shark because it doesn't like light and prefers living deep in the sea. Although it looks very freaky, it's not as scary as it seems. This shark is absolutely not interested in people and mainly eats fish, crabs, and mollusks. And, unlike other sharks, this one is a pretty bad swimmer. Glass frog. What makes them strange animals is the fact that certain species have translucent abdominal skin that allows you to see their insides, including heart, liver, gastrointestinal tract, and, in the case of females, eggs. Star-nosed mole. These animals are almost completely blind, but that doesn't affect them that much because they have 22 tentacles around their nose, which have 25,000 sensors, and that makes their sense of smell extremely sensitive. They can even smell underwater. Mandarin fish. Mandarin fish are one of the most attractive examples. They have lots of different colors and patterns stretched across their body. Their appearance is what draws people in. But people sometimes bite off more than they can chew. Orchid mantis. This is arguably among the world's most beautiful insects outside of the butterfly family. The orchid mantis is one of several species of flower mantises, which look like and mimic the flowers upon which they're often found. Proboscis monkey. When you see this monkey, the first thing you notice is the nose. It can be up to 7 inches long. The males generally have larger noses than the females. Monkey researchers believe that the larger the male's nose is, the more attractive it looks to females. The blue dragon. This pretty sea slug developed the perfect coloring for hiding while floating on the sea surface. The blue dragon is not poisonous, but it can gather poison from what it eats, concentrate and store it, and use it if it gets attacked. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. These creatures have excelled in their camouflaging skills. It is almost impossible to see them in wild. But they don't rely on this skill when hunting, they look like a leaf only when they rest. They are also very fussy about where they live, and Madagascar is the only place where they can be found. Jumping stick. This skinny beanpole looks like a common giant walking stick. But it's more closely related to the locust, and is named for its ability to jump and kick like a kung fu master. Anganoka tortoise. This is another species endemic to Madagascar that is critically endangered. These tortoises have a very cool shell coloration and structure and very noticeable growth rings on each segment. Sadly to say, the number of these amazing tortoises is still going down.